how to remove the drip tray from an LG.
First step is just to lift off the cover. The second step would be you just pull the tray out so that you can get access to the back of it. You reach under with your middle finger
And pull up.
and pull and lift up on it. And while you're lifting, you gently pull, and that lifts this little bar above the catch
Okay.
holder.
So now,
So
to put it back.
to put it back on, you slip the guides into the guides on the fridge. And again, you reach under with your ring finger or your middle finger. Oh, there we go. And push it back on. And then replace the cover. And there it is.